If you're a nature enthusiast, you need to see the wild wonders of Myanmar. Get ready for a wild ride. Myanmar is a treasure trove of unique and diverse animal species, from the majestic Asian elephant roaming the lush forests to the elusive clouded leopard hiding high in the mountains. Did you know Myanmar is home to over 1,000 bird species? Keep your eyes peeled for the vibrant green peafowl or the rare hooded treepie, and don't forget the underwater world. The Irrawaddy dolphin, with its friendly smile, swims the rivers here. Plus, Myanmar's beaches are nesting grounds for the endangered green sea turtle. Exploring the wildlife in Myanmar is like stepping into a living, breathing jungle book. So pack your bags, grab your binoculars, and get ready to discover the wild wonders of Myanmar. Happy exploring!